How many of you have wondered which books to read to enhance your investing knowledge? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're on a mission to demystify the world of investing books. We've curated a list of 6 must-reads that hold the key to transforming you from a novice to a seasoned investor. Each of these books has been hand-picked and ranked from the simplest to the most advanced. So whether you're just beginning your investing journey or you're an experienced investor seeking to broaden your horizons, this list is for you. These books aren't just theoretical manuals, they offer practical tips, strategies, and insights that can help you navigate the complex world of investing with confidence and ease. So, are you ready to unlock a wealth of knowledge that can potentially amplify your investing prowess? Without further ado, let's dive deeper into each of these financial gems. Our first book on the list is The Little Book That Beats the Market by none other than Joel Greenblatt. Now don't be fooled by the title or the size of this book. It may be little, but the wisdom it imparts is enormous. Greenblatt, the genius behind Gotham Funds, shares his knowledge in a way that is both easy to understand and highly effective. This book introduces the magic formula, a simple yet powerful stock screening strategy that combines returns on assets and price-to-earnings ratios. The beauty of the magic formula lies in its simplicity. It strips away the complexity of investing and boils it down to 2 key metrics: quality and price. Quality is measured by return on assets. This reveals how efficiently a company utilizes its assets to generate profits. Price, on the other hand, is measured by the price-to-earnings ratio. This shows whether a company's stock price is high or low relative to its earnings. Greenblatt explains that by investing in high-quality companies that are undervalued by the market, you can beat the market average over the long term. He backs this theory with impressive back-tested results, showing that the magic formula outperformed the market over a 17-year period. But the magic formula isn't just a strategy, it's a philosophy. It's about understanding that investing in the stock market is about buying pieces of businesses, not just trading symbols on a screen. It's about being patient, being disciplined, and focusing on the long term. Greenblatt's witty and humorous approach to investing will keep you engaged and learning. He breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand terms, making this book a perfect starting point for beginners. And yet, even seasoned investors can learn a thing or two from Greenblatt's wisdom. So, if you're looking to demystify the world of investing and learn a proven strategy that can help you beat the market, The Little Book That Beats the Market is a must-read. And remember, as Greenblatt himself says, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Next up we have One Up on Wall Street by the legendary Peter Lynch. Lynch, who was the former manager of Fidelity's Magellan Fund, is a celebrated name in the world of investing, and his insights are as relevant today as they were when he first penned them down. In this book, Lynch shares his wisdom over a generous 334 pages. His philosophy is simple, yet profound. Lynch believes in the power of everyday investors and insists that they have certain advantages over large institutional investors. He posits that by simply observing the world around them, individuals can identify potentially successful companies before professionals do. Lynch advocates for "buy what you know," a phrase that has since become a mantra in investing circles. He encourages readers to leverage their personal knowledge and observations to identify investment opportunities. This could be anything from a favorite restaurant chain to a popular apparel brand. If a product or service is doing well and the company behind it appears to be solid, chances are, it could be a good investment. The book also introduces readers to the concept of 10-baggers, stocks that have the potential to increase in value tenfold. Lynch provides guidance on how to spot these potential 10-baggers early, before they hit the mainstream radar. But it's not just about identifying potential winners. Lynch also emphasizes the importance of thorough research and understanding a company's financial health before investing. He provides practical tips and strategies to analyze a company's balance sheet, earnings, and overall financial condition. One Up on Wall Street is a book that cuts through the complexities of investing and brings it down to a level that everyone can understand. It's a book that takes the mystery out of investing and replaces it with common sense, practical advice, and a dash of humor. Lynch's book will inspire you to look at your surroundings and experiences as potential investment opportunities. It's an empowering read that reminds us that we all have the potential to make smart investment decisions, regardless of our background or experience. After laying the foundation with the first 2 books, you're ready for The University of Berkshire Hathaway by Daniel Picot. This isn't your typical investing book. Instead of offering a step-by-step guide or a set of rules to follow, Picot offers something arguably more valuable: a front-row seat to the wisdom of two of the greatest minds in investing, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Over the course of 3 decades, Picot attended the annual shareholder meetings of Berkshire Hathaway, the multinational conglomerate holding company led by Buffett and Munger. These meetings, often described as Woodstock for capitalists, are packed full of insightful observations, witty quips, and pearls of wisdom from the dynamic duo. In this book, Picot condenses 30 years of these meetings into an accessible and engaging read. It's like having a VIP pass to the most exclusive investing seminar in the world. From discussions about the principles of value investing to the importance of integrity in business, the University of Berkshire Hathaway is a master class in the art of investing. It offers a fascinating glimpse into the minds of Buffett and Munger, revealing their strategies, philosophies, and the key decisions that led to their extraordinary success. One of the key themes in the book is the power of long-term investing. Buffett and Munger aren't interested in quick wins or hot trends. They focus on buying quality businesses at reasonable prices and holding on to them for the long haul. This approach may not be flashy, but it's been incredibly effective, turning Berkshire Hathaway into one of the most successful companies in the world. The book also highlights the importance of humility and continuous learning. Despite their success, Buffett and Munger are constantly reading, asking questions, and challenging their own assumptions. They understand that the world of investing is complex and ever-changing, and they're always striving to improve. In summary, the University of Berkshire Hathaway is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering unparalleled insights into the minds of two of the greatest investors of our time. Picot's book distills 30 years of annual shareholder meetings into this treasure trove of knowledge. Now, let's explore Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher, a book that deeply influenced Warren Buffett. Philip Fisher, an investment giant, penned this classic in the mid-20th century. Still, its principles hold true today, making it an essential read for anyone serious about investing. Fisher's vision, wisdom, and experience are encapsulated in this book, offering readers a fascinating look into his investment philosophy. So, what's this book all about? Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits provides a thorough exploration of what it means to be a discerning investor. Fisher introduces us to his 15 points to look for in a common stock, a comprehensive checklist for identifying promising companies. These points focus on aspects such as the company's management, its financial stability, and its potential for growth, among others. Fisher's philosophy is one of careful selection and patience. He emphasizes the importance of thorough research before buying a stock, and the need for patience once you've invested. This is a stark contrast to the fast-paced, quick-profit mentality that many associate with the stock market. One of Fisher's most notable concepts is his scuttlebutt method. This involves gathering as much information as possible about a potential investment, not just from company reports and stats, but also from various industry sources, competitors, and even customers. But Fisher doesn't just teach us how to pick stocks. He also delves into when to sell stocks, asserting that a well-researched stock should rarely be sold. This long-term approach has had a profound influence on many, including Warren Buffett. Fisher's insights will expand your understanding of the idea of buying and holding forever. He believed in investing in well-researched companies and holding on to these investments for a long period, often indefinitely. This is a testament to the power of long-term investing, a strategy that has proven successful for many of the world's most successful investors. So if you're looking to deepen your understanding of stock investing and embrace a long-term strategy, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is a must-read. Fisher's wisdom is timeless and his strategies, still relevant, offer valuable lessons for today's investors. No investing list is complete without The Intelligent Investor by the legendary Benjamin Graham. This influential book has been a beacon of wisdom for investors worldwide since its first publication in 1949. Benjamin Graham is often referred to as the father of value investing. His approach to investing is all about finding and buying stocks that are priced significantly below their intrinsic or true value. But what does that mean, you may ask? Well, Graham believes that every stock has an intrinsic value that can be calculated independently of its market price. And when the market price is less than this intrinsic value, that's when you have found a potential investment. Now let's talk about another key concept from the book, Mr. Market. Graham uses this metaphor to personify the behavior of the stock market. Mr. Market is your bipolar business partner who offers to buy or sell shares every day at different prices, depending on his mood. Some days he's overly optimistic and prices are high, other days he's overly pessimistic and prices are low. But as an intelligent investor, you should not be swayed by Mr. Market's moods. Instead, you should remain rational, do your homework, and decide for yourself what a company's shares are worth. Lastly, let's touch on the margin of safety. This is the difference between the intrinsic value of a stock and its market price. According to Graham, the larger the margin of safety, the lower the risk, and the greater the potential for profit. It's like a safety net that protects the investor from both poor decisions and unforeseen events. In a nutshell, The Intelligent Investor is a bit more technical, but it's an essential read for anyone serious about investing. It might take some effort to get through, but the payoff is well worth it. After all, Graham's lessons are timeless, providing a solid foundation for understanding the principles of value investing. As Graham himself said, in the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine. Graham's lessons are a bit more technical but timeless and worth the effort. Ever wished you could get inside the mind of Warren Buffett? Well, The Essays of Warren Buffett by Lawrence Cunningham is your golden ticket. This book is not just another investing guide, but a deep dive into the principles, philosophy, and strategies of the Oracle of Omaha himself. Cunningham has done a remarkable job of organizing Buffett's letters to shareholders into thematic essays. The result is a coherent and comprehensive guide to Buffett's approach to business and investing. This book is a treasure trove of wisdom, distilling Buffett's decades of experience into digestible lessons. Buffett's essays cover a wide range of topics, from corporate governance and finance to investing and alternatives to common stock. He shares his insights on value investing, the importance of understanding a company's competitive advantage, and the dangers of following market trends. One of the key takeaways from this book is Buffett's philosophy of buying a business, not a stock. Buffett emphasizes the importance of understanding the business behind the stock and its long-term prospects. He advises investors to think like business owners, focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and avoiding those driven by market hype. Another essential lesson is the concept of margin of safety. Buffett stresses the importance of investing with a safety net, which means buying at a price that allows for unforeseen adverse events. This principle, he believes, is the key to minimizing risk and maximizing investment success. But perhaps the most valuable aspect of the Essays of Warren Buffett is the glimpse it gives into Buffett's mindset. His humility, patience, and long-term perspective shine through in his writings. These qualities, along with his investment acumen, are what have made him one of the most successful investors of all time. In essence, Cunningham's book is a collection of Buffett's letters to shareholders and offers a wealth of knowledge. It's an indispensable resource for anyone looking to understand the principles that have guided Buffett's extraordinary career. Regardless of your investing experience, this book will undoubtedly provide you with invaluable insights. We've reached the end of our journey through the 6 greatest investing books. We've explored a wide gamut of investing wisdom, from the simplest principles to the most profound insights. Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey. We kicked off with Joel Greenblatt's The Little Book That Beats the Market, a concise guide that introduces the magic formula, a powerful stock screening strategy. This book's uncomplicated approach makes it an excellent starting point for beginners. Next, we delved into Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street, where we learned to leverage our everyday experiences for stock market success. Lynch's wisdom encourages us to view the world through an investor's lens. Our third stop was The University of Berkshire Hathaway by Daniel Picot. This book serves as a window into the minds of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, distilling 3 decades of their annual meetings into invaluable insights. Then we turned the pages of Philip Fisher's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Fisher's teachings on long-term investing and identifying great companies are instrumental in shaping an investor's mindset. We also navigated the more technical terrain of Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor. Despite its complexity, Graham's timeless lessons on intrinsic value and the concept of Mr. Market are well worth the effort. And our final destination was The Essays of Warren Buffett by Lawrence Cunningham. This book offers the opportunity to learn directly from the Oracle of Omaha himself through his insightful essays. Each of these books has something unique to offer, and together they provide a comprehensive understanding of investing. They illuminate the path from being a novice to becoming a seasoned investor. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, take your time and absorb the wisdom these books have to offer. Use them as your guides, as you navigate the exciting world of investing. Remember, every great investor was once a beginner. Keep learning, keep growing, and let the power of compounding do its magic. Thank you for joining me today on this enlightening journey through the world of investing. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Stay wise, stay invested, and I'll catch you in the next video.